Edutainment is a term that refers to the combination of education and entertainment. It is an approach to learning that aims to engage and motivate learners by incorporating entertaining elements into the educational process. The term was coined in the late 1940s, but the concept has been around for centuries. The use of storytelling, games, and other forms of entertainment have long been used to make learning more engaging and enjoyable. Edutainment has become increasingly popular in recent years, particularly in the fields of online learning and educational video games. This approach to learning has many benefits, including increased motivation and engagement, enhanced learning outcomes, and improved retention of information. One of the primary advantages of edutainment is that it can help to make learning more enjoyable. When learners are engaged and interested in what they are learning, they are more likely to pay attention and retain information. By incorporating entertaining elements into the educational process, such as storytelling, animation, and interactive games, educators can capture learners' attention and keep them engaged. Another advantage of edutainment is that it can be used to teach a wide range of subjects and topics. This approach to learning is not limited to traditional academic subjects such as math, science, and English. It can also be used to teach social skills, emotional intelligence, and other non-academic skills that are important for success in life. Edutainment can also be used to teach learners of all ages, from young children to adults. Educational video games, for example, are a popular form of edutainment that can be used to teach children basic skills such as reading, writing, and math. Similarly, adult learners can benefit from edutainment by using interactive learning tools that incorporate entertaining elements. Another advantage of edutainment is that it can be used to teach learners in a variety of settings. Online learning platforms, for example, are a popular way to deliver edutainment to learners who may not have access to traditional classroom settings. Additionally, edutainment can be used in informal settings such as museums and libraries to engage learners and make learning more fun. Despite the many advantages of edutainment, there are also some potential drawbacks to this approach to learning. One of the main concerns is that learners may become more focused on the entertainment aspects of the learning experience than on the educational content. This can lead to a superficial understanding of the material and may not lead to long-term retention of information. Another potential disadvantage of edutainment is that it may not be suitable for all learners. Some learners may not be interested in the entertainment aspects of the learning experience, and may prefer more traditional methods of instruction. Additionally, some learners may find edutainment to be too simplistic or may require more challenging material to stay engaged. In conclusion, edutainment is a powerful approach to learning that can be used to engage and motivate learners of all ages. By incorporating entertaining elements into the educational process, educators can make learning more enjoyable and effective. However, it is important to balance the entertainment aspects of edutainment with a focus on educational content to ensure that learners are gaining a deep and meaningful understanding of the material. With careful planning and implementation, edutainment can be an effective tool for teaching a wide range of subjects and skills.